Okay, here we are. This is as far as I've got with my LATHE Racing Pirates 3. As you can see, it's all in bits. I've whacked a servo in there. It's just the one that was came out of my Eternity Trooper Pro. Just the standard one. Obviously, I will get a new servo to put in there, something a bit better. But yeah, the gears. Now, as you can see, it's all in bits, as I said. But the that way. Yes, the standard gearing. Obviously, we have a metal pinion, and as you can see, it's fitted on there, and that is a 3.175 shaft. Now I'm showing it a bit more up close. As you can see, there's not a lot of meat in there. I wanted to adapt that for a 5mm shaft. So this motor, this is also from my Eternity Trooper Pro. I don't know if you can read that. But it's only about 2080 kV. 2080 kV. Sorry, let's put the T back in. So it's not very high kV. So I didn't think that would be worth really bothering with. Like I said, I wanted to first try the Ghoul RC 3800 kV, but that's got a 5mm shaft. So what do I do? Well, couldn't really find any for, well, I think I found a couple for a 5mm shaft for pinions, but it wasn't very good. Plus the spur gear that comes with it is just plastic. So I wanted to upgrade to a metal gear. So what did I do? Well, I looked on eBay and I managed to get this. It is pretty basic, just generic one. I can't remember what it's for. Might be HSBP or P or whatever it is. And it was a little gear set that I ordered. It wasn't too much. It was only like £3 or £4, and which would be about $5, I reckon. But you can get these from China. I managed to get mine in a few days from the UK, and it's sort of will work. Basically, this has a hole there for a pin, and then that will slot on there, and the pin locates in there. The only problem is the pin doesn't fit in the hole on this. Right. So I've just got to grind that down a bit, and then that pin should fit in. So I'll just do that now. Okay, it didn't need that much taking off of it. I just did that off camera, just ground it off with a little Dremel grinder. That now fits in there. I didn't notice when I was trying it before, it showed me another problem. Basically, if I get the gear, put the pin in. Not easy doing this all one-handed. Oh, come on. Come on, get in there. You know you want to. There we go. Right, with that all the way in, it's now left a gap. I didn't think, well, I thought it would hopefully go further in, but it's left a gap there now. So obviously the gear moves about. It might, the pin might come out, but so I mean it will be butted up from the back, but I don't know. I just don't like having that gap there. First of all, I was looking for something. I found a little bit of plastic from the propeller adapter. So I was just sort of rubbing it down to try and fit the gap, and then I was like, oh, have I got any aluminium washers for a prop adapter? And I do. So that, take that apart, slot that on there, try to maybe I should put the camera on the stand for this. Now, just fiddly thing. There we go. Right, so that's on there now. Pin just goes in. So luckily, it's thin enough to get the pin in. And we'll just put the camera down a sec. Two hands. There we go. Right, now, there we go. Now it all fits on there, and there's no gap. Cool, that fits there. The only problem is, when testing this before, the other reason why I've had to take it all apart is because, yeah, this shaft goes through, like that, there we go. Right, yeah, this shaft goes through this bearing into the diff. There we go. That goes there, and then the diff gear slots onto it, and then that is held in place with a little clip. But because this is now a lot wider, I mean it's wider anyway, there we go, slot that out there. Right, so there we go, that's slotting onto there, so that is a lot wider than this one. So basically once it's all pushed into there, the gear on there, there we go. Once that, oops. This is why I don't do build videos, because I'm always dropping everything. There you go. Right, so that goes on there. A little C-clip holds that in place. But because that's now wider, basically the gear doesn't slot on far enough to be able to get the clip on. So I've now got to make that gear, well, not exactly the same width, the whole gear, but just this bit here. That bit there has got to be made thinner, so it's a bit narrower to go on. That's not a problem for me because I've got a lathe, so I will whack that in the lathe and sort that out. Okay, so that's all done now. You can see that's a lot thinner, machined off, and now it's pretty much the same thickness as that. So, got the shaft, the washer on there. I just need the pin in there. Now that slots on nicely on there. Lined up. There we go. Right. All done. And now, when it goes in the diff, it does seem stupid. You've got to take the whole diff out and everything just to change the pinion. I mean, I know I've modified the pinion, but I mean, just to change the pinion, just to get this off and the pinion off, you've got to take the whole diff out. It's ridiculous. Anyway, that's not in there. Where's it? There we go. There. Now I've got to somehow get the circlip in there, which is going to be a bit fiddly. Pliers. Right. Fun. Circlip in there. With a flat-headed screwdriver, that'd be better. Come on. Get on there. There we go. Make sure it's on there well. Definitely on there. There we go. Cool. Pinion sorted. Metal gear pinion sorted. Hopefully that will work a lot better. And also I have, by fitting this with a 0.6 mod gear, I've got a very good choice of gears that I can now buy. So the one that came with that is a 26 tooth pinion to a 64 in Spur. So I can't remember what the gear ratio is on that, but I have to work it out. But I've seen some crazy size pinions that I can get. Like I said, 64 Spur, and the highest tooth pinion gear I've seen that I could get is a 47 tooth pinion. That'd be a 64 Spur and a 47 pinion. Blimey. So but yeah, I can get all sorts. Yeah, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43. 43 was the lowest in those ones that I saw. But I've also seen, yeah, I can get 29, 30. I think I've even seen a 32. And those will be with a 5mm hole. Unfortunately, the one that came with this has still got 3.175 hole. But if you compare that to the one that came with it, that's machined out. This one's solid. So hopefully, even though that's only wide, I think on a 5mm one, the bit where the grub goes in will be a bit wider. But hopefully I can still take that down or take that out to 5mm, and this will still be usable. So that's next job. I won't bother showing that. That'll be the end of the video for today. I just want to try and keep this one short. And yeah, hopefully I can bring that out to 5mm, and then that's the motor and pinion sorted, and I can put this back together. So stay tuned, more to come on this car. I just hope it's all worth it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.